Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Consuming a standard American diet may cause you to develop parasites inside of your body. The consumption of meat is a large cause for parasite infections because of the amount of parasites that live in meat. The good news is that there are many ways to naturally and effectively eliminate these parasites, which commonly infect about 85% of Americans. Today, we're going to explore the parasites that may be infesting your body and how to eliminate them. Let's dive into the lesson. What are parasites? Parasites are organisms that feed off other organisms. They can live inside the body or on the skin and feed off the host. They enter the body via food or water ingestion and can be transmitted from the environment to the skin. Many of these parasites are harmful to humans, often resulting in some form of sickness. Living with parasites in the bloodstream or body should not be the norm because they rob the body of nutrients. Common parasites include roundworms. These worms often live in the soil and can enter the body if you touch them and then touch your mouth without washing your hands. Heartworms. Heartworms are extremely rare in humans. They cannot be passed from human to human, rather they must be spread through mosquitoes. Tapeworms. Often living in the lower intestinal tract, tapeworms usually enter the body via undercooked beef, pork, or fish. Pinworms. A pinworm infection is one of the most common human intestinal worm infections. They are highly contagious and can live inside the lungs and intestinal tract. Hookworms or threadworms. Hookworms, commonly found in drinking water, can affect humans and enter via the feet because they are tiny. They lodge themselves in intestinal walls and feed off human blood. Good news! There are treatment options. Conventional doctors will commonly prescribe anti-parasitic medications if they believe you have parasites. Medications are usually toxic, as their toxicity kills parasites, but this can cause lymph node swelling, especially in the hands and feet. Luckily, there are natural alternatives that can help eliminate parasites. This list includes black walnut hulls, wormwood, pumpkin seeds, and raw garlic. A liver cleanse. You may consider participating in a liver cleanse or detox. If the liver isn't functioning optimally, the bile flow will be reduced. When the liver is cleansed, be it with a cleanse or other alternatives, bile flow will be improved and attack living parasites as a result. It's also a good idea to consume raw garlic and onions as they provide the body with sulfur, which contains amino acids that are anti-parasitic. An amazing and potent anti-parasitic is oil of oregano. Mixing 2 to 3 drops with a little lemon in an 8-ounce glass of water has been known to help kill parasites. You can also take probiotic supplements or eat probiotic foods like tempeh, miso, kombucha, or kimchi. Probiotics can effectively combat intestinal parasites, especially the hookworm parasite. Continue with a healthy diet such as raw food, vegan, or vegetarian, and your immune system will get stronger and keep you healthier. Use these remedies to rid your body of the parasites that are stealing your nutrients. You will get sick far less often. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.